What's up? Me and Aiden's looking out the window because there's something spectacular going on outside. It's a freaking beehive. Or bees that came from I don't know where.
I know what they want. I know what they want.
What do they want?
Honey.
No, they make honey. They don't want honey. The queen must have moved, and now the queen decides to land on our porch.
They make the honey
So
on our apartment.
there's a million bees outside of our house right now.
No. So many, 1,000 bees out of our house.
It's terrible.
No.
April left us, so
No. I can fit myself, so that's why I hide.
she's a traitor. She just, I'm going home, I'm leaving. And she left us. So now we're surrounded by bees. That's okay though. As long as we stay inside, we.
Go to your house. Okay, I can't tell them because I'm not the boss. I'm not the boss of them. I'm not the boss of them. I'm not the boss. Okay. I did not feel they're getting more bees. They're getting more bees. More bees? Yep. A few more bees. I'm so kidding. Okay.
When the hive decides, when the queen decides to move, the hive goes with it. So that's all of her subjects. They had the royal wedding yesterday, so
Look at all this.
don't know what they could do to
I
damn
want to be a
bees.
kid.
You can't really hear them. They're not really making no noise. Just a whole bunch of them.
Look how like
I'm glad I ain't gotta go nowhere.